Hello guys, you smartphone Tecno Spark 7, this version 4GB memory and 64GB Intel memory. Start unpacking, look completion, device in the green color. Okay, in completion we have protected back cover, documentary, adapter for charging, micro USB cable and headphones. And slot key for SIM slot for 2 nano SIM card, micro SD card for memory. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, on the back side double camera LED and fingerprint scanner, on the front side 6.5-inch display, on this side power key volume keys, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device, display HD, IPS. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT6762 octa-core processor, 4+4 cores, CPU 1.5 and 1.8 GHz, GPU PowerVR GA8320, resolution and display PPA. Look results. Single core score and multi-core score. Okay, and look into the benchmark results. Run the demanding game Guitar San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Game works very good on the medium graphic level. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.